On behalf of the organizing committee of Donapaula and all the people of Donapaula, we would like to thank Madam Edsa from Prina Resorts, Donapaula. We have been organizing this San Joao, and they try to give us permission every year without fail. We are very grateful to them to give us this opportunity to have this San Joao at their resort at Prina. We would like to thank each and everyone who have come here together, and this is organized by the people of Donapaula, for the people of Donapaula only. Thank you very much. Viva San Joao!
To all the Goans out there, I'm wishing you all a Viva San Joao. Stay blessed and have fun.